It's time for brunch, and we're going into Razzle Dazzle, aka Lucky Lotus, for brunch. We were just told that we have to get the bacon. So, you know, you got to sell me but one time with bacon.
And can I say something?
Yes.
There's not a lot to do on C days during the day other than eat.
Yes. Well, guess what we're ready to go do?
I know y'all have only seen us today eating breakfast and now eating brunch. There's really not much to do on the C day other than eat.
And I'm perfectly fine with that.
Which ain't a problem to me.
Nope. And it's Sunday too, so you know what you get today? Football. Sports cabal.
Sports cabal is what they call it on the
call it, sports
yeah.
cabal.
But anyway, in the meantime, between time, let's go get brunch.
Let's do it. So this is the smoked cheese jalapeno. I will tell you, the only thing that worries me about this, it has fennel seeds. I do not like fennel.
I don't even know what the other fennel is.
These.
Oh.
Those are the reason why I don't like Italian sausage. It's specifically those seeds that's in it.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's not all the way through and it's just on top, but
just start from the bottom.
So it has jalapeno and cheese on the inside.
I'm gonna have to fight through those seeds.
Okay. We'll take the seeds off the top. You bit it already? I thought we were gonna do it together. Good. Mm-hmm. I do too, actually.
Jalapeno isn't too overpowering.
It's not too overpowering. Mm-mm.
Oh, it's there though.
Yeah.
But it's not too overpowering.
It creeps up on you. It's a slow burn.
There's a jalapeno cheese croissant.
Mm-hmm. It's good. If they removed the fennel seeds, I would enjoy this a lot.
You gotta know how to eat like a child, and you gotta dodge those kind of things.
Yeah. Very good though.
Ma'am, the vegetables done.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna take this plate.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you so much. Did you get one time? Oh,
No, because it got shrimp in it. Yeah.
So I got a wonton soup and it has chicken and shrimp in it.
I'm jealous.
Siobhan loves wonton soup, but she can't have it because it has shrimp in it.
Yeah.
I guess we could have asked for it without shrimp.
No, the shrimp is inside the wonton. So
okay.
I probably could have just got the broth, but I can taste your broth and see if it's good.
Yeah. It smells good.
It does.
Yeah. I'll taste the broth.
Okay.
Give you a little
little salt.
Little salt, little pepper. But it has the consistency and like the smell of chicken and chicken pastry.
Oh. Huh. Okay.
Yeah, mix it up. It's good. It's good. It could use a little bit more flavor outside of.
I just want to taste the broth. Is that a mushroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. And so this is my vegetable wonton. I just flipped it over. And we'll see how this goes, because the outside I can taste like the crispiness of it. It tastes like an egg roll on the outside. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. I like it. You want to try?
Sure. What makes it good?
They got the sauce right, and sometimes people don't get the sauce right. And also, it's really sauteed on the inside. Really good, so it's not too crunchy.
Stir-fry rice noodles with some stuff taken out, like carrots and the shallots. Yeah, that stuff's not in my bowl.
It looks hot.
Good, not great.
Okay.
We're good.
Okay. And yeah, so mine has a little more things in it. I'm sure that'll make it a little more tastier. It has to.
Sure.
I really like it. Oh, I really like it.
Really like it.
I do. It does tend to lean a little more on the sweet side, and that's probably why it's throwing you off a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's more of the sweet than savory. You want to try your fries and the chicken sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good fry.
Yeah.
That's a nice and meaty fry. I did get some bacon off of the naughty menu, as well as chicken sandwiches off of the naughty menu. Brandon is examining it because it comes on a black sesame seed bun, and I'm sure there's some type of aioli on top. He is not going to like. Try it and see. So let me cut it. So it cuts. All right, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna give you the bigger piece because.
Why would you give me the bigger piece?
Because I'm not gonna eat the bigger piece.
I don't even know what side to start on.
Start on, yeah, there you go. The bun is interesting.
Be honest?
Uh-huh.
It don't taste like that.
It don't taste like nothing? Take it outside of the bun. You might be getting the bread in the middle.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
It don't taste like that.
It don't taste like nothing? Okay.
You go ahead and try it.
Okay. I'm gonna. I get where you're getting that from. It's not overly seasoned. It's not. It don't taste like nothing. It's not overly seasoned, which is fine. I can go ahead and tell you, it is a little grease buildup. I would probably eat that piece of chicken by itself in this.
Yeah.
That thing is the bacon, and it's smoked. It's like a smoke. So it's almost like the smoked candy bacon. It's really good.
Like the state fair bacon. Is it the best?
Still got some kind of glaze on it.
Is it the best bacon you ever had?
No, it's not the best bacon I ever had. That bacon at steak fair is the best bacon I ever had. This is close though.
Okay.
This is very close. Since you're not having dessert, I'm going to ask you your review.
It was okay. Not the worst food I've ever had on a cruise. I get what they were going for. Only critique like the chicken didn't taste like anything.
Right.
That's pretty much it. That's the biggest critique I have. The wonton soup was good for me. The noodles were okay. Like
Everything was either passable or was it all just passable food?
it was passable to above average.
Okay.
For me.
Yes.
But take what I say with a grain of salt because my taste buds are like not sophisticated at all. So,
but with what you did taste, passable to above average.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Again, take what I say with a grain of salt.
As somebody with a simple palate,
Yes.
would you recommend this restaurant to other people who are not as adventurous eaters?
Probably not.
Okay.
Probably not.
Okay.
But if they I won't pound the table against it.
Right.
If that makes any sense.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's just okay.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. All right, so blueberry cheesecake with a pistachio crust. It looks like some fresh blueberries on top, a blueberry raspberry compost, and so I'm gonna try all the things at one time because I do like blueberries. I don't love it.
Okay.
Not much flavor to it. The pistachio crust is very, very pistachio. Like it's not baked hard. It's really crumbly and soft and natural. It's very natural.
Ooh.
Well, we need so we can move dinner.
Just push the plate off the table.
No.
Push it. No.
No, I'm not pushing it.
So you think they get an A for food presentation?
Presentation is beautiful. We do a great job with the presentation of the food. All the food that was supposed to be hot was hot, and even the plates were hot. You could tell it was freshly made and well prepared. Some things tasted better than others. This would be a no for me, but I could see the fried chicken sandwich being good by itself, not as a sandwich. So I wouldn't necessarily have the bread and the sauce, but I would see that as like maybe chicken tenders or a fried chicken with a side of fries. I could see it being that. The stir fry was good. The bacon was great. The stir fry was great too. I will say that about stir fry. It was great too. The bacon was great. The jalapeno croissant was good. And I tasted your wonton soup, the broth. That was good. What else? That was good.
The dumpling.
Oh, yeah. They were okay. I'm going to backtrack on it. They were okay. They weren't like, I gotta have them every time I come here. They were okay. So yeah, like Brandon's average. I will say average to good instead of mid to average. So I will tick it up just one bit. Because I'm a little bit more of a explorer as far as food's concerned. So I will tick it up a notch. Average to good. Yeah.